examinations are going to be stressing if it's not scheduled well, not prioritized well, and if it's not aligned well with your goals, vision, and your planning structure. My name is Anil Thomas. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 errors, mistakes that students do while they're going for their JEE or their NEET examination. Reference material forms a vital resource material when you are preparing for the JEE or the NEET examination. But at the same time, if you're going to accumulate books after books, then it's going to be a mess. So have the textbook and the advised or the top recommended books. In one of the blogs I have mentioned about it, even in the previous videos, I have mentioned the recommended books. And I am telling you, you don't have to go beyond it. So every time you see a new book, don't buy it. Every time you see a new tuition class or uska notes, don't accumulate this, because this is going to add to your stress. So don't accumulate heaps of books. It's not going to do any help. The second error which students do is this. They like a particular subject, so they end up spending a lot of time on that subject. For example, a PCB student will spend a lot of time with biology or chemistry. But remember, physics is the game changer. The PCM, the JEE aspirant, will focus on their easy subject. Don't focus on that subject alone, which is easy. I'm saying give equal time to all the subjects, and especially be partial towards that subject which is going to take more of your marks. Which subject is that? That's right, physics. There are some questions when you solve, you come across and you say, ye mujhe nahi aata hai. Don't keep it for later on. Take that, mark that, go to the teacher, mentor, or the past student, get that solved right now. Identify such questions which are tricking you, take it to the teacher and get it solved immediately. Don't keep it for later on sake. Later ons are never solved, I'm telling you this, yeah? The fourth mistake that children do are this, they spend enormous time reading the textbook, then they spend time reading the MCQs, but they don't sit down to practice. Practice is very important. You must have, in the whole term, should be solving at least hundreds of papers, This is very important. Putting your 11th and your 12th together, you should be solving all these papers together. That's going to be the game changer. Don't stick to reading and learning alone. Testing is important. Racing against that time is important. So that's an error which people do. They learn too much, but they don't practice sufficient enough. Description in the section given below, in that I'm mentioning to you the recommended books that you should be referring to. I'll also put in a link which you can follow, and you can get the free resources of question papers, which is also shared with you in the past. Also some 10 additional question papers also will be given to you free. You can just take that and start solving. कुछ और अगर help चाहिए तो please comment section में mention करो. I will be really happy. There are all these students I want to thank who really helps us come out with this resource material. It's your help, it's your love, it's your comments that encourages me to come week on week and to talk to you. I'm telling you, I am flooded with emails, I'm flooded with calls. I don't know how students get my number and they call me up, but I'm so overwhelmed and I'm grateful. It's only because of your love, support, care, and concern that I'm motivated to come here and talk to you week on week. Thank you very much. I want to continue with what we were talking about, the top 10 errors that they do while they're giving a competitive examination like JEE or NEET. The fifth error that they do is they focus too little on the 11th standard. The foundation, the conceptual awareness comes in 11th standard. They don't focus much sufficiently over there because they believe that 12th से ध्यान देगा, लेकिन 11th में roots है, उसको miss नहीं करो. 11th is important. They end up focusing very less there. The sixth error, according to me, or the sixth mistake that they do is they take too much of stress for the JEE and the NEET, or they take too little stress of the JEE and the NEET. दोनों भी हानिकारक है. तो अगर आपने कम स्ट्रेस लिया, मतलब आपके पास टाइम कम रहेगा, बिकॉज आप ग्रेजुअली पॉइंट पे पहुंचोगे, मतलब आपके पास टाइम कम रहेगा काम करने के लिए. और आपने ज्यादा स्ट्रेस लिया तो करोगे कुछ नहीं, स्ट्रेस के दबाव में आप दबी जाओगे, काम तो वैसे भी नहीं होगा. The next mistake that a JEE aspirant or the NEET aspirant does is they stay awake more than what is required, and they will stay up all night, and probably they'll wake up damn early. They don't take care of their physical health. That health is very important. throughout the year whatever you do is still manageable, it's still okay. But on the day of the examination, if you're gonna be staying up all night or waking up too early and it's gonna trouble your body, then your alertness is going to get affected. आपका alert रहने का जो काबिलियत है वो मर जाता है. Your promptness, your impromptu response or your quickness is all dampened and it all gets badly affected. Now, time management is again a very important tool if you are a JEE or a NEET aspirant or an AIPMT aspirant or even an MHCET aspirant. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब आप 6 घंटा एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए दिया, आधा घंटा दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के लिए दिया, कुछ काम का नहीं है. आपने मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे फिजिक्स पढ़ा और सैटरडे संडे आपने केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा, वो भी कुछ काम का नहीं है. आपने बहुत सारा टाइम पढ़ने में लगा दिया और बहुत कम टाइम रिवाइज करने में लगा दिया, ये भी काम का नहीं है. तो बैलेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. बैलेंस जब तक आप मेंटेन नहीं करोगे, आपका पूरा मेहनत व्यर्थ जाएगा, ये पूरा का पूरा वेस्ट जाएगा. That's another thing that I would like to share with you. The next mistake that most people get overwhelmed and they do is questions पढ़ लेंगे एग्जामिनेशन में, मार्किंग नहीं करेंगे. तो they are reading the question and they are reading the next question, इसका आंसर आपने दिमाग में रख लिया या यहाँ लिख लिया, लेकिन मेन शीट पे आप आंसर मार्क नहीं कर रहे हो, लास्ट मोमेंट के लिए छोड़ रहे हैं आप लोग. तो ये दिस इज अनदर मिस्टेक दैट दे डू एंड दैट्स गोना कंज्यूम टाइम एंड इमोशन एंड देन गोना बिल्ड ऑन स्ट्रेस. डोंट डू दैट. एग्जामिनेशन के बीच में जो वक्त मिलता है टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स बिटवीन द टू पेपर्स, यू डिस्कस इट कि ये सही था क्या, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का बी था, आपका कितना था, एंड देन यू ट्राई डिफेंडिंग इट एंड दैट्स गोना प्ले विथ यू व्हेन यू गिव द नेक्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन पेपर. सो हो गया ना, छोड़ दो उसको. Don't, it's pointless working on it, right? And the 10th thing which I feel students should be doing is prioritizing. You know physics is tough and you know in physics this chapter is tough. सबसे पहले उसको solve करो. आपको लगता है chemistry पढ़ना है आज, लेकिन chemistry के अंदर equations में आपका हालत खराब होता है, तो सबसे पहले equation उठाओ, prioritize करो. Prioritize it. Unless and until you prioritize things, आपका मेहनत तो लगेगा लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट इक्विवेलेंट नहीं रहेगा. Imagine you are working very hard for a 2-mark chapter and you didn't work hard on a P block element. Imagine effort result का ratio genuine होना चाहिए. You know, physics में you have input and output. So input is never equal to output, but the closer it is, the efficient it is. Your efforts has to be justified with your results. That is the only way you can map, measure efficiency. So that's how you will test yourself, know your result, and then examine your paper, evaluate it, know the mistakes, correct it, and redo the paper. Year that we are running this YouTube channel, and I want to tell you all that we are so grateful to all the children across the country viewing this. You have helped us reach 5,000 plus subscribers. This is something which is so special to us. My entire team, me and Suneet and Saili and all of us, Prajna and the whole team, Pranjali, you know, everybody working on this project is so overwhelmed. Nandini, all of us, we are so overwhelmed with you, and we want to join our hands and tell you thank you for really coming onto our channel and watching it. And we are committed because of children all over. You know, I talk to mothers and concerned fathers from places that have not even learned in geography, probably from cities I've not even heard from this country. They call me up and they tell me, sir, ye kare kya, sir, wo kare kya, sir, how can I encourage my child, especially from places where there is no proper school and college facilities. I am overwhelmed that thank you for Digital India, probably, that we have reached out to all those children out there. I am grateful to you, and I want to commit myself by telling you that write to me whatever chapter or question that you don't know. We are committed to stand here and explain that to you in every possible way we can do that. It's only because of the love and support from all you children we are able to stand here and produce this excellent content. We are on a mission to reach 10,000 subscriptions. 10,000 subscription. I would only request you to hit on the subscription. Help us share this video on your Facebook wall or in some way in different places, reaching out to more students who could help us reach our 10,000 subscription goal. So write to us if you need additional papers, write to us if you need a chapter to be explained, write to us if you need importance of a particular chapter, write to us if you need to know what are the reference materials that you need, write to us for whatever academic concerns that you have, no matter which grade you are and which board you're from, write to us. We are committed to reach out to you. So I'm going to see you again, and I'm going to see you with more power, with better content, and to see you more successful. Write to us, right? Thank you. Bye. Wish you a great year ahead.